Best hearing aids. Hot selling tone hearing aids. This product have more features. Convenient wear. Low noise, low distortion. For people with severe hearing loss. Product use hearing assistive devices. The scope of application of gas conduction hearing disorders. Taboos otitis media or ear suppuration who are disabled. Maximum sound output, 130 ± 5 decibels. Sound gain, more than 50 decibels. Total harmonic distortion, less than 5%. Frequency range, 300 Hz 40,000 Hz. Input noise, less than 30 decibels. Operating voltage, 1.5 volts. Battery model LR44. Current, less than 4 milliamperes. Weight, thank you for trying verbose. This recording will go away once the product has been purchased. 74 grams. Brand name Kamai. Item type ear care. Material ABS. Model number rear care. Size mini. Check the description below for the link. Thanks for watching.